Are you an interior design student? Yes? Then you want to watch this video up until the very end because I have a special and unique gift for you. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olga Sorokina. I'm originally Russian. Right now I live in Auckland, New Zealand. Before that I lived in Denmark, Copenhagen for almost 3 years. My background is interior design. I studied in the best Russian art academy for 6 years, so I am an MA in interior design. And when I lived in Copenhagen, I realized that so many European interior designers and architects don't know how to draw properly the interior design projects. That's why I decided to start my online school of sketching, where I create tutorials and online courses on hand rendering and sketching with markers and watercolor. So, what is in store for you today that I have? It's a PDF guide. It's a short and sweet PDF presentation that I've prepared for you today. It's a sketch plan with markers. So what is sketch plan exactly? It's basically a layout plan that we as interior designers all know what it is. It's a furniture layout that we usually make in such programs like AutoCAD or Archicad. And I have a new look and let's add some artistic endeavor to this kind of technical drawing or technical draft. And I want to show you how to make this sketch plan, this layout plan, to look absolutely amazing, and I'm sure your clients will fall in love with such a sketch plan. So head over to my website olgaart888.com or simply push the link below this video. I attached it and you're ready to go. You are on your way to creating a beautiful sketch plan, even if you are a complete beginner in interior design drawing, because my students who were, as you are, beginner in interior design drawing, they mastered this skill, they started, they gone through this PDF and they achieved fantastic results. So head over to my website and enjoy this PDF guide. Bye for now.